guys, welcome to my channel. This is R&R Vlogs. Today's video is I'm going to show you our store. So it's Mama's Bees and my store. Nag-corpo kami dito. Ano ba yung Tagalog dun sa corpo? Joint Tagalog din. So we put up this store last year. So it's been 1 year na ba? More than a year. It's almost 2 years, not last year. Because I think 2018, no? 2018, July of 2018 when we built this store. And so far, so good. God is so good because it's still running until now. And then, yun na nga. Yun lang yung ibig kong sabihin. So, ayan, itutur ko lang kayo ngayon dito sa aming store. Pero, at the same time, today is, we're going to do the inventory. So, yan guys. Milk, beer brand. So, dito na yung aming, sa itaas ay yung mga diapers. Yan. At dito naman ang section na to ay canned goods. Walay-walay na yung stocks. So, canned goods. Then, yan mga soy sauce. Then, we have got sugar. We also have milk. Ano here? Yan, coffee mate, Milo. Then, we have stocks of, food there. So, yan. O, syempre, nag-YouTube tayo. Nakasupport tayo. Yan. Ito yung mga boxes na ano. May laman pa to. May laman na to, guys. Yan yung mga juices. Cartons of juices. Salt. Another juice. Yan, nilagay namin dito yung ano. Ganyan. Tapos may school supplies kami. Yan yung school supplies natin. Soaps. Different kind of soaps. Bar soaps. So, yan. Medicines. Tsaka yung mga lotions. Yan ang haplas. Oil. At medicines up there. So, may, yung mga nails namin ay nandito. Pero, kailangan naman wala ng laman. Zone bleaches. So, yan. Then, we have here our little section of feeds. Pig food and chicken foods. And, that's the house of my auntie, but they're the one who's staying there. My niece, that's my niece. That's Silai's channel, but she don't work on it. Yes. We have Walis Ting Ting. Walis Ting Ting to, di ba? Walis Ting Ting to, di ba? Yeah. What's the English of Walis? Alam mo? Tampo. Akala ko ba tampo yung kabok? Iba yun? Ayan. May ano kami, ano tawag nito? Charcoal. Then yan, beef or ano. And we have a little bit of rice. Yan. Yan. May rice kami. Empty na yung isa. So, yan yun. May mga slippers. Konting slippers kami nandyan. So, yan yun guys. Yan. Din. Yan si i-inventory kami. So, yan na yun. Going yung inventory. Yan si DINAH at saka si Archel yung isa. So, it's every end of the month that we're doing an inventory. Yan. Medyo ano siya kasi you need to count it one by one.